There's a loop trail here, 2.6 miles. So here's the door, but that is boarded off. Oh man. The wood beams and the fireplace. Wow.
Mountains where I spend my rambling years. I paid my sins from the poor traveling days. Oh Lord, please, can't you hear my prayers? So I rode my body up the mountain to a place where I can.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are here at Sharp Top Mountain in Virginia. We just finished our hike, and then we're going to head on the Blue Ridge Parkway. So just going to open the video up. We are here at the end of September 2023. It's probably almost 70 degrees out. It's actually gotten a lot nicer. The clouds are kind of breaking up here, getting some sun, so it's feeling a lot better. And we're gonna head on the Blue Ridge Parkway. So this video might be a little bit different because Blue Ridge Parkway is just a drive. It's one of the nicest drives, they say, in the United States. We're starting from Sharp Top, which is somewhere just straight west of Lynchburg area, and we're just gonna head south all the way eventually into Asheville and film along the way. This video is just gonna be the portion from here, basically just north of Roanoke, all the way down to probably Boone, where we have a room tonight to stay somewhere around there. And we'll show you everything from there to Boone in this video. So let's head on out.
Rode my body up the mountain, and I'm never going back again, I swear. Most likely the son of mine will be found in the mountains where I'm born and raised. I paid my duty as the sunny side cutie. Oh Lord, hear the sorrow in my heart. So I rode my body up the mountain to a place where I can sit my rocking chair. I rode my body up the mountain, and I'm never going back again, I swear.
Okay, we've gotten out here just to make a quick stop at the Roanoke River. There's the overlook, but I think there's a path that goes down to the river, and maybe we'll go check it out. And here's the path right here. So it says it's 1,000 feet. So let's go check it out, see what it is. It says 20-minute walk along rocky cliffs above the river gorge. Please stay on established trail. It is dangerous to climb on rocks. Okay, let's go check it out real quick.
So I rode my body up the mountain to a place where I can sit in my rocking chair. I rode my buddy.
Okay, coming up. Oh, almost ran right. I don't know if you can see.
Oh, I thought it was maybe a snake.
There's a
Where
spider
you want to stick?
right here. I almost walked right into that. Apparently nobody's been down this path in a while.
Sorry, buddy.
Evacuate him from the area. Sorry, buddy. Okay. Whew. Okay. Whew.
The
Okay.
way you stopped short, I thought it was going to be a snake.
Oh, my chest was inches away from it. Okay. So here we are, Roanoke River. Whew. It's just like a 5-minute hike down. Might take us 10 minutes going up because it's all uphill. But there's the bridge we came across this way on. Looks like somebody lost a jacket. some type of power plant there. Ah, very cool.
Tall bridge.
Yeah. So it's the Roanoke River, and we are just outside of Roanoke, obviously. So just starting our drive here today. The overlooks from the Lynchburg area to here have been awesome. It's like on the parkway, it's just on your right and on your left, it's just all these great views you can see for miles and miles and miles out. So it's been awesome so far. I think most of this next part of the drive, though, it's going to be outside of the mountains and just more in rural areas. So with some stops along the way, I think there's some cool things we can stop and see. So we're just cruising through the road, and we're just going to stop and see what we see. No real plans for today other than we need to get to the Boone area tonight. That's it. So I'm going to take this in for a little bit. And maybe walk over here, some of these rocks a little bit, and head up. Can't go in the water. This is not allowed to swim, but can go on the rocks a little bit, but you do need to be careful. So let's go ahead and head up here in a few.
So I rode my body up the mountain to a place where I can sit in my rocking chair. I rode my buddy up the mountain, and I'm never going back again, I swear.
So we found a place to stop here just for a little bit of a break. And there's a cabin, one of the like original trail cabins here. So once common along the Blue Ridge, there remains but a few of the rough log buildings such as this cabin. While built in the 1890s by the Trail family, it is typical of the first cabins built by pioneers throughout the forested sections of our country. So go ahead, just take a quick peek at what it looked like inside. Yeah, picked out a nice view, looks like. And it doesn't look like it to go inside. Looks like we got boarded off. And there's a loop trail here, 2.6 miles. So here's the door, but that is boarded off. Oh man. Yeah. Just see the wood beams and the fireplace. Wow. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Looks like there's a little window here or something. Maybe you put the firewood in through there or something. Some type of small entrance. Right by the fire there. Huh. And no other windows, so try to keep it insulated. But not a bad view, especially when the weeds are low. Cool. So really nice drive. Not many cars right now because it's a weekday, so Thursday just not a lot of people, which is great. So we're just kind of cruising down the road. Not a lot of cell phone signal, so be aware of that. If you needed, directions to any place, I've got everything saved on my map, but I can't put directions into anywhere because there's just the whole road from basically Roanoke on right now has just been zero data. Oh. One of those walnuts or whatever. That's a big one.
That was a big one.
Unless it's an apple. What is it? Is that an apple?
Might be an apple.
Yeah, or a pear.
No, like an orange?
I don't know what that is. Let me know what that is.
Soft. Squishy.
Yeah. It's squishy. Maybe some type of nut. Okay, we're gonna head up, back up to the car, get back on the trail, get some more miles under us, enjoy some more views. So next stop here is Mabry Mill. Down this path you will find buildings, farm implements, and other displays that document rural life in Appalachia over a period of about 100 years. Most were restored and arranged here during the 1940s and 50s. These displays illustrate aspects of mountain life that are colorful but not unique to Appalachia. If you grew up in many other areas in rural America, you may recognize some of the things you encounter. Cool. So there's like a whole village here. Then we will be getting ice cream in a minute. So right here is Mabry Mill. It's built in about 1910 by Edwin Mabry, jack of all trades. Been a chairmaker, miner, coal company, a blacksmith, and a farmer. He and his wife, Mentoria Lizzie Mabry, operated the mill until 1936, grinding corn, selling lumber for their meadows of Dan neighbors. Meadows of Dan neighbors. In 1945, National Park Service restored, landscaped the mill.
Don't forget to get the ice cream.
I know. I got really excited.
Wow. So here's the mill that it looked like before they restored it. And there it is now. Wow. You don't see many of those
Not working
around nowadays. Pretty cool. There's the mill. That's pretty cool. Now they got the creek water running all the way across here, and it runs the mill. Pretty cool. Let's go head up around and look and see what else is up here in the village. Well, it's the next day, everybody, and I forgot to close up yesterday's video. So yesterday when we were driving down the parkway, we got to the music center and there was nothing going on. It was too late. It closes, everything kind of closes at 5, and we got there almost at 6 o'clock. So we just continued on past the music center and into North Carolina, and as soon as we got to North Carolina, they closed the parkway. So we had to get off the parkway, and from there we just headed straight to our Airbnb because it was closed for so far anyway. So we just went to our Airbnb, we got a dinner, and that was about it. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button now, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and comment, leave a comment, let us know what you thought. So we're about to head back up into the parkway here in North Carolina. We just left this morning, but I'm gonna open up a new video soon. So we'll see you in that video next.